Hi guys, today I'm going to be...
Why does Richard keep doing this?
What?
Why did you put in snake
He
bites?
starts a workout.
That's what they're called, snake bites.
So, we're going to be playing
and
Brookhaven.
it
Wait, actually,
texts
Animal
me a
Hospital.
check-in
Animal Hospital.
for when his workout is done.
Hmm, I'm gonna play with people.
And I'm the only one that gets it. You guys don't get it.
Okay. Oh no, don't leave me! Don't leave me, buddy boy! Come on! Oh, hey. What? I'll take them out. They're out of my mouth.
So tomorrow night we'll do pizza for dinner, yeah? Just be the easiest thing to do.
Okay, I got two people here.
Spaghetti or Alfredo?
Okay.
Or
Okay.
I would do Alfredo.
I can't use my voice chat, guys. I'm too young to use my voice chat, so can't use it. Even though you see it in the top corner, my account's set up for 13, basically. Probably, I don't know. But, are you normal? I'm kidding. I'm smart. Okay. So I'm going to go to your room. It's 1. You need herbs. Herbs. Okay, now where's the eye drops? Herbs and eye drops. Okay. Shutting door. I got this all covered, guys. No need to worry.
Oh, remember, for the first shift, you don't have to check the anomalies.
I know that. I was just being silly when I was checking for anomalies. I was checking for teeth.
There's no anomalies in shift 1, though.
I know.
Shift 2 anomalies, I think.
I'm telling them, even though they see my voice chat, I can't use it.
For $5.99.
Okay, recover and be well.
Right.
Nothing.
We've got 1 pack out in my freezer.
Okay, lay down.
Okay,
Touch
so
your
for
ears.
should be good. He's trying to pull me off.
Okay, shift 2.
Get down, hop down, or back away from her, Rory. Hop down.
Shift report.
You know, is John not going to eat these?
Excellent.
What?
Is he not going to eat these
I'm the best.
yogurts?
You must not.
Okay, bye.
Because I feel like he's bypassing them and getting the other ones all the time.
Nothing's new, nothing's new, nothing.
I wanted to tie him with Rory.
It's okay, that life is a story that you can tell. Oh.
Really shouldn't be up on the counter. That's all that makes them want to do it.
Nothing new, nothing new. I want to get on the camera.
your cake?
It's not as good as it now that you were allowed it and it's taken out of the plastic. You gotta-
Where is our next patient gonna be?
Big
What's
bowl
that?
is spicy, little bowl is really
Also, I found the exact area it hurts me. Whenever I sit up and stand down, I found the exact area that hurts.
Ron. Hi, Ron.
Show it to me.
I'm gonna do.
That's like your
I
tail.
need coffee.
Your sacrum, and you want to know something? Sitting in your room on your butt all the time.
Okay.
You've probably roasted a little bit. I broke mine when I was younger.
And now, whenever I sit down, and then I stand up after sitting down for long periods of time, it's very hard to like move and walk. So yes, it's painful, honey, but honestly, there's really nothing much that can be done for it.
Just don't sit for a long time.
She's telling me to go up all the time.
And you're listening to a 2-year-old.
Yes.
You sound
She's
like
one.
a toddler.
She's one.
No.
He told me to do it.
Over.
I'm like, and we're listening to her
Over.
what?
Hey, Ron.
Over. Away. Out of the kitchen.
Okay, you're done with
Addison,
this.
hop down and take her out.
Hey, Ron.
Take her out. Take her out of there.
Hey, Ronnie. Hey, Ron Drumstress. Ron. Time for another dookie on your face. Looks like I'm rude. I didn't know Ron from accounting has diabetes.
So when we do this normally, what does Richard do with his?
Nachos.
Not
That
this.
he's been doing
Dad's
recently.
lately has just been having the meat. His meat.
I've been doing a salad of mine. I think that's what I might do.
I think.
I can do the spaghetti. I would like to get a little bit of work tonight because if Joan does take her and go out Instacart, it means, I don't have a weekend to get work done.
Come on. Thank you. Thank you. Because I don't trust you. You let Ron come in. It's okay to let Ron come in, but Ron is kind of looking creepy. Ron is kind of looking creepy today. Ron's kind of creepy today. Come on. Okay, what's the Sigma? Where in the world are you? Come on up to the stage. Don't be afraid to say hello, reindeer.
Alright, Addison.
When are we getting this taser?
Food is ready here.
Okay. When are we getting the taser? Computer dumb. Extra check-in window. Not enough cash. I just gotta buy this. Okay. Bought second check-in. Nothing's new, nothing new. Okay. I can do this all by myself.
Wow. Super cool.
He kind of looks normal. I need to check him before I fully check him in. So where are his teeth? Where are his teeth? Where are his teeth? Where are his teeth? Okay, bro got no teeth. When are we gonna start getting more patients? You got okay. I'm leaving. Okay, guys, that's me playing. That's how I play with people. Like for part 2 of Alone.